In this video, we will show you how to install and set up the new 2K pan-tilt outdoor Wi-Fi security camera with these easy steps. We will cover setting up the camera, installing the camera, using the Lorex Home app. Setting up the camera. First, plug in the camera to a power adapter. When you hear the camera chime, it is ready for pairing. If this is your first time using the Lorex Home app, download it from the App or Play Store and sign up. On the home screen, tap the plus icon, scan the QR code on the top of the camera, select if using a wireless or wired connection, follow the on-screen instructions, and tap Next to continue. Tap Join. Choose a password for the camera and record it for future use. Connect to your Wi-Fi network. When the LED indicator is solid green, tap Next. Choose from the default list of names or create your own. When you're done, tap Complete. Installing the camera. The pan-tilt camera comes with multiple installation options, such as on a wall, ceiling, or pole. In this video, we will show you how to install the camera on the ceiling. Apply the template sticker to the installation location. Drill holes and use the included anchors if installing on concrete, stucco, brick, or any other masonry surface. Use the included screws to secure the mounting bracket. Please note, the holes in the mounting bracket will need to be drilled before securing to the ceiling. Secure the camera to the bracket by aligning the small triangle at the top of the camera with the unlocked icon and twisting counterclockwise to lock it. All that's left is to plug the camera into an outlet. Using the Lorex Home app. In the app, you can control the pan and tilt functions. From the Live View page, select the pan-tilt controls at the bottom of the screen. To control the camera's horizontal and vertical rotations, swipe and hold for a fast pan or tilt motion, or tap the arrows for fine adjustment. Thanks for watching. Visit lorex.com/support for more information.